Hey, all my beautiful Scorpios, how are you all doing? Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. These are general love readings, so uh, we are doing for you and your person for the month of October, rest of the month of October. Please keep in mind roles can be reversed, cross watchers are welcome. These are general love readings, so if they don't resonate with you guys, please check your sun, moon, and rising placements. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. Let's start the reading. Okay, first card. No, lot of cards. We will be asking universe, spirits, and guides. What are your feelings? Five of Cups. Feeling left out in the cold. Scorpios, what's going on? Why are you feeling Five of Cups? Without we are feeling very hopeless, not seeing any seeing the path further, very a depression kind of energy. Don't be. How do your person, how do you see your person? This is a love reading. You see your person as Nine of Cups. You see them happy. Okay, you feel that they are happy without you and they are moving away. Justice. What are your person's feelings for you? We have justice. How your person views you, how Scorpio's person views them is the Five of Swords. They can view you like burned out totally. They know you are not happy, and they know the reason, that is you. What are you hoping for in this connection, Scorpio? You're hoping for Three of Wands. We'll clarify. What is your person's hopes in this connection? What is your person hoping for? Empress. Wow. Let's see. What action you plan on taking with this person is Scorpio. Seven of Wands. Oh my God. No action. You're just closing yourself. Not looking also. Both hands on your chest. Don't want to. What's wrong, Scorpios? You're such happy souls. I am a Scorpio too. Okay. We have what action your person plans on taking. Your person, death and rebirth. Something is coming to an end. Some new beginnings. They want your own card in your reading. Very good. What is the outcome of the situation? Ace of Wands, new beginning. Not bad. Okay, Scorpios, we'll try to clarify these cards now. I'm using my Sun Moon Tarot. Let's see. We'll clarify the Five of Cups. Why is my Scorpio feeling so not looking at anything positive, just focusing on the negativity of life? Nothing is working out. Why? Oh my God, disappointment. Five of Cups is clarified with Five of Cups. I can't believe this. We'll pull out one more card. The Magician. Okay. You're not looking into any other offer. You're not looking just focused on this connection. You're very strongly manifesting it. Either you want this or nothing. Oh my God. Very strong energy, Scorpios. Roles can be reversed. Maybe your person is feeling like this. They are feeling like, I don't want any other. I want no one else than Scorpio. That is also possible. They are manifesting it. Nine of Cups. How do you view your person? Five of Pentacles. Okay. This is like a lot of worry. Like, we'll clarify one more card. Nine of Pentacles. How you view your person is Six of Pentacles. Yes, you don't see, like, you are seeing, like, right now you see that they have they are not taking care of the connection and you feel left out. You view your person like they have left you out in the cold, but you want equal give and take. Six of Pentacles. This is what you're looking for with this person. Okay, now we have what are your person's feelings for you. You have justice. Okay, you want justice, they want justice in this connection. Let's see your person's feelings for you. Prince of Swords. Okay, this is the Knight of Swords. This is let's see, we have Seven of Swords. Oh my god, maybe you're dealing with a water sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarian. Seven of Swords, Prince of Swords. What's wrong? Ten of Wands. Oh my god, too much of burden. You're feeling oppressed, like totally. But Ten of Pentacles is like this is the last leg. You're like this cycle is getting over. This is coming to an end. This Seven of Swords. Something is coming out in the open. Justice. Yes, this lying, cheating energy is coming out. Whatever they just can't keep it to themselves now. They are like very much worn out. They can't keep this to themselves. They want to tell you some kind of truth. They want to bring justice to the situation. Scorpios, that is the only way they can come towards you. And Five of Swords is clarified by the universe, the world card. Okay, you think this is getting over. You want some cycle is coming to an end. This is your hopes, and this is what are you hoping is. We have Three of Wands. Okay, you're juggling, you can see here. Three of Wands, waiting to, you just want to end this cycle, this vicious cycle. You want to end it. You are manifesting the either it gets over or you get an answer out of it. Three of Wands is clarified with Ten of Pentacles. So this is what are you hoping for? Your hopes is Ten of Pentacles and Three of Wands. You're waiting for this Ten of Pentacles. A happy home, happy family, very stable connection you want. What is your person hoping for? They have Empress. Empress is clarified with the Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment, happiness. You are their Empress. Either they are your Empress. Cross watchers. Yes. You think this is a very abundant personality. Like they think very highly of you. You're their wish fulfillment. We have the Temperance for what action they want to take with your person. What action Scorpio wants to take with their person. Yes, they want equal balance. Seven of Wands. Either you get balance, bring balance into situation. Otherwise, I'm not looking. Okay, we have what action your person wants to take is the Death card here. We'll clarify. Ten of Swords. Okay, we have Death is clarified by Ten of Swords and the Hierophant. Yes, they are coming out of some situation. Can be a marriage, can be a something which is like holding them. Maybe they are leaving their family situation which was holding them back from coming towards you. They are Hierophant, Ten of Swords, like finishing. They're completing a cycle there. Okay, we'll see the outcome of the situation. I don't see a three-party situation here, but it can be. because we have justice. Maybe they are stuck in this connection. Scorpios, yeah, I can see that they are waiting for this. They are not, they have not told you, but they are bringing clarity towards you. 10 of wands, they can't keep up with this lies and false this thing. They just can't keep up. They are waiting for this justice to come in their situation so that they can bring you clarity. Prince of the Knight of Swords here, they want to bring in clarity towards you. Okay, and the outcome is Ace of Wands. We'll clarify this. The outcome is new beginning. We'll see, is this a new beginning or the same person? Universe, is this a new beginning or the same person for the Scorpios? Please let me know. Four of Cups. Yes, not entertaining any new beginnings. The Emperor. Whoever this is who's coming towards you, either this old person or the past person, they want to bring in this new connection. They want to start all over again, and this is divinely guided. They are like coming in this Emperor energy. They want to be, they want to provide for you. They want to bring in, they are, if they know, because they have to be in this Emperor energy. They have to take charge of the situation with you. Otherwise, this is, you will lose hope, and you're not going to work with them anymore. Okay, Scorpios, we will ask for some guidance from the universe. Let's see what the Goddess Love Oracle has to say for the rest of the month of October for the star sign of Scorpio. Let's see. We have self-discovery. Dive deep into the situation. This is your advice. You are asked to dive deep. Go within. Give it some time. Let's see. Shine. Hold your head high. Whatever the situation is, don't be in this Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles energy. Hold your head high. Five of Cups, Five of Cups twice you have. So don't dwell on this. Shine your light. You are always shining, Scorpios. That is how you are. I know you will come up. Build you up. Build yourself up. This is just a short period reading. Okay, what is the romance angel has to say for the Scorpios for the rest of the month of October? Let's see. Release your ex. Oh my God. There's a new beginning coming in, Scorpios. This is the Ace of Wands is a passionate new beginning, and the universe is asking you to release your ex. Just see how it goes, how this whole energy works out for you. I hope this helps you. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Wow. Let your friends help you, guys. Maybe you're not seeing it correctly. You don't know. You're not in the right state of mind to get your answers. Let your people around you help you. Friends and family, whoever is there for you. Okay, we'll see some messages from your person. What if this is a new person? That means we'll pull out few cards. I have been watching you from distance. Oh my God, this is definitely a new person. They have been watching you. You have not talked to this person. They have been watching you, and they are looking forward to talking to you. I could lose myself in your eyes. Okay, whoever it resonates with. I live for your smile and would die for your kiss. Oh, this person is very much in love with you. Love is patience. Love is patient. Okay, they have been very patient with you, and they want to come charging, bring you their love offer, Scorpios. So be ready for this. I hope this reading helped you all. See you in my next one. Till then, all the best. Stay safe and healthy. Bye for all.